One of the problems that people think they have with these types of bracelets is putting them on. And I'm going to show you how to wear a lobster claw bracelet. You always want this on the inside of your body. Put it on, get a piece of tape, tape it to your wrist, find your lobster claw, there you have it. It's now on. Now, since I'm a right hand, there are people that are left-handed. Here's one for the left-handed person. Put it on your wrist. Get some more tape. Tape it to your wrist. Find your lobster claw. And there you go. I said, there you go. There. This one's too big for me, but it is a pretty bracelet. And when you go to take it off, it's just as easy. Thank you for watching.